Welcome to room 523 here at the DoubleTree by Hilton Alana Waikiki Beach. This here is a 2 double bedroom. We've got 2 lovely beds facing the TV. Under there is our amenities and our tea and coffee. But before we get into that, let's have a quick look at the balcony. Oh, how gorgeous is this? You've got some greenery, fake greenery, gorgeous long balcony, 2 sunbeds across from the Hilton Hawaiian Village. Nice view, look at all the lawns, short walk to the beach. So it's nice to see a long workbench here with a chair, rubbish bin underneath. There's probably a little mini fridge in here. No, we just have 2 shelves with a lot of paint on them. And maybe this side, here it is. Here's our mini fridge. Oh, with someone's buffalo wings and celery sticks by the looks of things. So they don't clear that one out. If anyone's hungry, we've got some spare food in the fridge. That's great. Coming through here, oh look, the door's already open for us. What else have we got in here? Clothes? No clothes in here. But lots of hanging space. Comes with hangers, an ironing board, as well as a bag holder. Got some extra towels in here. And there's an in-room safe as well, which is handy. All right, so in here we've got the shower. Comes with shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Toilet, tissue box on top of the toilet. And there is a hand basin here. We've got a bath soap, a shower cap and body lotion attached to the wall. Little sensor light for nighttime. Hook, light switch. The room comes with some towels and extra hooks. And the towels on the towel rail. There's also a hairdryer under the sink as well. So if you noticed here, the really big step up. Handheld shower, so detachable off the wall. On the centre table here, you've got a phone and a power pack, as well as the PowerPoints and reading lights there as well.